Having some great painting tools in your toolbox will add more improvement to your day-to-day household or industrial works. However, since there are a lot of painting tools roaming around the market, some of them are worthy and some are not. So, selecting the best product among them is a bit of a tough job and needs analysis, which will be time-consuming for you. For that purpose, we've enlisted the 7 best painting tools and made a video only for you. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
To paint something for decoration or other purposes, you'll need a paint roller. So here comes the Wagner Smart Edge, a paint roller that will do the job better than anyone else. In addition to eliminating the need for taping and cutting for hours, it emphasizes your painting with more fun elements by drawing paint directly to the handle. The reservoir holds up to 6 ounces of paint and covers up to 96 linear feet in one fill. For that purpose, you won't have to carry any roller tray. Moreover, this paint roller offers sharp and clean edges, making it perfect for painting around trim, windows, and door frames. For clear-cut paint delivery on your surface with good control, it utilizes the thumb trigger. Concerning cleaning issues, you have to thread the cleaning adapter simply, and the water flushes through the roller to your garden hose. Overall, the Wagner Smart Edge paint roller amplifies your painting experience with much ease and fills every need. When it comes to paintwork, Scotch tape is a mandatory item to get accurate and smooth finishing. Presenting the ScotchBlue Sharp Lines Multisurface Painter's Tape, a tight and sticky tape for the betterment of your work. With a standard design that resists UV and sunlight, this tape can be used on many surfaces, such as smooth or lightly textured walls, trim, baseboards, tiles, glass, or other surfaces. Due to its medium adhesive impact and edge lock technology, this tape is sticky and brings sharp paint lines. Also, the 21-day clean removal leaves behind no damage or sticky residue on the surface after removing the tape. However, it is recommended that you wait until the paint becomes dry. In short, if you're a painter, the ScotchBlue Sharp Lines Multi-Surface Painter's Tape will assist you in doing your jobs, specifically to get smooth and sharp edge finishes. Climbing to heights is common among professional painters. Meet the Little Giant, a ladder that ensures a sturdy and advantageous outcome. Constructed by special alloy aluminum, this ladder weighs 20% lighter than any comparable industrial-rated ladder. Moreover, it can be used in multi-positional format, and you can convert it to a frame, extension, trestle, and plank, 90 degrees, and staircase effortlessly. To adapt different configurations, this ladder features rock lock adjusters and tip and glide wheels for trouble-free movement. Furthermore, the Little Giant ladder has all OSHA and ANSI standards. Besides, it is Type 1A rated and capable of holding up to 300 pounds of weight. To summarize all the aspects, the Little Giant ladder is a comparatively strong and dominated ladder for your industrial purposes, which you must have in your checklist. For pinpoint paint effects, Accubrush brings the MX Paint Edger, a well-ordered and time-eliminating paint tool that allows you to paint doors, windows, ceilings, or baseboards, and all effortlessly. In order to achieve clear paint results, this paint edger has a finer brush together with washable and reusable rollers, which provides you with a hassle-free user experience. Gives cuts of 5 to 8 feet per load. This MX Paint Edger can paint 10 to 20 times faster than a sash brush. Even painters with zero experience can make out consistent and straight-edge lines of paint with this paint edger. After all, the Accubrush MX Paint Edger offers you the best overall result for painting your surface more quickly and consistently. Introducing the Red Devil 4251 6-in-1 Painter's Tool, a perfect setup of the most needed tools that can be used for several painting purposes. Contained with a gouger, scraper, putty remover, spreader, roller cleaner, and nail setter, this tool set enhances your job and provides variable work methods. Coming with nylon solvent-resistant handle, this painter's tool assures you a trustworthy performance for years. To ensure maximum strength of this tool, a high-carbon, precision-ground steel blade has been included to prevent rust and extend through the entire handle. Also, there is a brass-plated solid steel nail-setting head to set the drywall nails and other hammering jobs. Shortly speaking, to get various types of uses in one tool, you can undoubtedly purchase the Red Devil 4251 6-in-1 Painter's Tool. No painter has spent a day without struggling to paint the narrow corners or high ceilings during work. Presenting the Kalband, a multitasking brush extender that will help you paint in a unique style. Providing 160-degree rotation with 2 brush paint directions, this brush extender allows you a faultless painting through to your specific spot. Using this brush extender as a painting pole extension, you can easily cover the hard-to-reach areas when painting. Additionally, the versatile paintbrush extender fits more brush sizes and styles, and it's removable to fit the rollers. This brush extender reduces climbing to paint and provides 10 times faster painting experience. In conclusion, to complete your projects regarding safety issues and eliminate climbings due to paint, the Kalband MultiAngle Paintbrush Extender is a must-have tool for you. Now, let's talk about the Bercom 7500cc, a handy paint tray that helps you with easy-to-carry paint at your job site. This handy paint tray is used for keeping liquid paints on it so that you can grab your roller, dip it inside the paint, and work effortlessly. About a full gallon of paint can hold this well-deep tray, meaning you don't need to refill it back and forth, including a built-in magnetic brush holder that helps to keep your brushes nearby and ergonomic handles for easy shifting. Moreover, it also has a roller washboard with graduated markings for cleaning the roller after painting. In essence, the Bercom 7500cc handy paint tray is a hard, lightweight, easy-moving tray for both professional and household purposes and able to stand to your demands. So, that was our list of the 7 best painting tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.